So in today's video, we're going to look at libraries, also known as references within Microsoft Access. This also applies to any VBA code that you're writing. So this could be in Access, Outlook, Excel, Word. It doesn't matter, but we're going to look at this in Access today. So here I've got some code. If I try and debug this, I get a compile error because I am trying to set a variable for this workbook for this variable, and it's the reason I'm getting this error. It's pretty generic, so let's bring that error back up again. Just says user defined type not defined. Seems like it could mean anything, but it's actually because there's no library available. So if I go into tools and then references, and then you'll see all the references and libraries available. For this one, I want to go find Microsoft Excel. So this is Microsoft Excel 16.0. That actually does not mean 2016. So don't worry about, for Microsoft, these values that say 16.0, it does not matter. It's not that you're using the wrong version. I'm actually on Microsoft Office 2021 right now, but that's what it's called. So now that I added that, so again, let's go back to references. So that's now added. So I click that in, I hit OK. Now when I debug this and I compile this, no error comes up because that is now referenced and it knows what the workbook is. Because of that library, it knows in that library reference, it kind of tells Microsoft Access what is a workbook and what does it mean and how to use it. And that's why it's no longer an issue. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.